In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix website to Google Search Console. This is a simple process, but there are a few key steps you need to follow, so let's dive right in. First, let's begin by logging into your Wix account. Once you're in, go straight to your site's dashboard. This is where most of the management magic of your site takes place, so it's a great spot to start. Now, before we proceed further, there's an important detail to keep in mind. To successfully connect to Google Search Console, your website must be linked to a custom domain. This means you'll need to be on a premium plan with Wix. No worries though, even the most basic premium plan will do the trick. If you haven't made this upgrade yet, it's a good idea to handle that upfront before moving forward. With that all set, it's time to head over to the part of your dashboard dedicated to marketing efforts and search engine optimization. Inside the dashboard, locate the Marketing and SEO tab and click on it. Next, find and open the SEO section. This is the area where you'll set up your site's SEO settings to get it ready for a direct connection to Google Search Console. Once here, scroll down until you see a section labeled Site Performance on Google. At this juncture, you should notice an option inviting you to connect to Google Search Console. Go ahead and click Connect to Google. Occasionally, Wix might present you with an SEO setup checklist. Feel free to skip past this and proceed directly to establishing that connection. Now comes the part where you'll need to sign into your Google account. Be sure to log in using the account you wish to associate with Google Search Console. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection between your site and Google Search Console. Just follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions, and you're on your way. And just like that, your Wix website is now successfully connected to Google Search Console. With this connection in place, you can start tracking your site's performance on Google. This access to valuable insights about your website traffic will empower you to make informed decisions on your digital strategies. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.